welcome back. Today we are going to study subject English grammar, chapter number 7, verbs part 1. Students, verb is not a new topic for us, right? It's a very basic thing we use in our day-to-day life, and you have been studying it since very lower classes. Okay, every year this topic comes to you. So in detail, we are going to see the different types of verb, its classification, how it is divided into different kinds. We are going to see in the lesson. Okay, so let us start. We are going to see first of all the meaning of the verb. The word verb comes from the Latin word verbum. Okay, it is derived from a Latin word, that is verbum, which simply means a word. Okay, simply means word, which is derived from or which is taken from Latin word, that is verbum. Okay, further let us see. Verb states something about a person or thing. Okay, it tells us about a person or thing. There is no possible sentence without verb. We cannot frame a complete sentence without verb. So verb is very much important in order to frame a sentence. Okay, in order to convey meaning towards living things, humans, then animals, non-livings, and etc. So verb is very much necessary in order to frame a sentence. Then it can denote an action. Verb shows us an action. It also shows us condition or quality or expresses possession. You can see the different verb are there. Helping verb होते हैं, main verb होते हैं. So they perform the different tasks. First of all, it denote an action. Action बताएंगे, ठीक है? Action मतलब कोई वर्क बताएंगे. हिंदी में उसे क्रिया कहते हैं. Like chattering. The word chattering shows us the action of something. See, birds are chattering. What birds are doing? They are chattering. So with the help of verb, we know the action of the subject. Subject जो है noun bird है या फिर उसका action हमें पता चल रहा है कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं? They are chattering. So this is your verb and it shows an action. Next, verb shows us condition or quality. Like Nikhil was happy. Was, he was. Condition बताई जा रही है, ठीक है? He was happy. So this is your verb which shows us condition. Then it also tells us the possession of something. जैसे octopuses have. The word have is a verb which shows us possession. Okay? Octopuses have 8 arms. Have. So similar words like has, he has, they have, she had, has, have, had will show you the possession. Whereas is, am, are, was, were will show you the condition. जैसे I was in train, so it shows us my condition. They were eating fruits, it shows their condition. Okay, then the verb which shows action are mainly used main verb. They are mainly main verbs like eating, sleeping, jumping, dancing, play, speak, write, speak, see, hear, etc. All these shows us the action. So there are many verbs. Okay, example अभी मैंने आपको दिया है. For the action type main verb, then for the condition type, and for the possession. Okay, many examples I have given now. Okay, let us move forward to see what is we are going to study in this chapter of verb. It can be transitive or intransitive. Further, verb is divided as intransitive or transitive. Some intransitive verbs are linking verbs. It is said intransitive verb आगे जाके डिवाइड होता है into linking verbs. Okay, this can be weak or strong, finite or infinite verb. Further, which is divided into linking verb, okay, and they are as weak verb, strong verb, finite or infinite verb. And the last point is auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries, okay. ये भी वर्ब के अंदर आता है, auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. काफी टाइम you might have heard from me कि मैं कहता हूँ helping verb, modal auxiliaries या auxiliaries, okay. So auxiliaries को हम दूसरा नाम दे सकते हैं, वो है helping verb, okay. They help the main verb to convey the meaning, जो main verb के साथ में लिखे जाते हैं, ठीक है. This is your helping verb, जो main verb के साथ में लिखते हैं. ये आपका helping verb होगा, जो main verb के साथ में लिखा गया है, ठीक है. So helping verb it also called as auxiliaries. Auxiliaries को एक और नाम ऐड करेंगे, that is primary auxiliary. Okay, we can also call it as primary auxiliaries, and this is your modal auxiliaries. And दोनों को मिला के हम कह सकते हैं your helping verbs. Okay, so auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries are special verbs that we use along with main verb. Okay, as I told you before, main verb के साथ में भी हम auxiliaries और primary auxiliaries को लिखते हैं, ठीक है. Like this, helping verb, sorry not this, helping verb and main verb. Next, verbs can be formed into gerunds, और आगे टॉपिक नया, past participles and present participles. So there are so many topics we are going to study in verb. Okay, ये तो बेसिक है जो हमें पता है. Then further transitive, intransitive, then finite, infinite, auxiliaries, modal auxiliaries, gerunds, past participles and present participles. So students, that's all for today. In detail we will see them one by one in the next coming videos regarding that what all are there. Okay, detail में हम next video में पढ़ने वाले. So that's all for today. I hope you understood it. Thank you.